Russia has released new footage showcasing its latest Tu-43 Malva self-propelled artillery system during training exercises for cadets. With range of 24.5 kilometers, the Malva is intended to engage a variety of targets, including command posts, defensive positions, artillery, air defense systems and infantry units. Pakistan has unveiled the Shahpar III drone at the International Defence Exhibition and Seminar held in Karachi. Featuring 6 hardpoints and flight endurance of approximately 24 to 30 hours, the drone is capable of carrying a payload of up to 500 kilograms including bombs, cruise missiles and torpedoes. Croatia has received its 7th Rafale fighter jet delivered by Dassault Aviation as part of its ambitious armed forces modernization program. The F-3R variant acquired by Croatia includes cutting-edge technologies such as Thales Telios laser designation pod, enabling precision strikes up to 70 kilometers away. According to the British resource The Guardian, the Russian Ministry of Defense plans to integrate AI technologies into Iranian Shahed-136 kamikaze drones. The purpose of the modernization is to bypass Ukraine's air defense systems.